Hi, I'm Mrs. Chatila. I'm going to be your language facilitator this year. I will be supporting you in the 4 content classes that you will be having. I would like you to reach out to me, so I'm going to give you my contact number. Please make a note of this. Make a note of this number. It's 704-221-8430. You can call me or you can text me at this number. You can also contact me at my email, school email, and this is it. If you can please make a note of this. Thank you so much. I will be looking forward to meeting and working with you all. Bye-bye.